Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where we bring you the most honest and detailed reviews on the products that matter to you. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Nutribullet NB9-1301ALW Pro 13-piece matte all yellow, a food blender that promises to elevate your smoothie game with its 900-watt motor and sleek design. So, let's see if this powerhouse really lives up to its claims, or if it's just another blender trying to stand out on looks alone. The Nutribullet Pro features a 900-watt motor designed to quickly and efficiently blend even the toughest ingredients. This blender comes with a set of impressive accessories: two 32-ounce cups, two to-go lids, two lip rings, two handled lip rings, an extractor blade, and a recipe book. The standout feature here is the stainless steel extractor blade, which uses cyclonic action to break down tough foods like nuts, seeds, kale, and hard fruits. This means it's not just for smoothies, but can handle making nut butters, shakes, and more. The 900-watt motor helps ensure a smooth, nutrient-packed result without too much effort. One of the first things that stands out about the Nutribullet Pro is its power and simplicity. The motor base feels sturdy, and the cups are BPA-free, which is important if you're using them regularly for food prep. The machine itself is compact and easy to store, which is a big plus if you're short on counter space. But how does it perform in real-world use? I put it to the test by blending some tough ingredients like frozen berries, spinach, and even a handful of almonds. The 900-watt motor made light work of all of them, and I didn't need to stop and stir the mixture like I've had to do with some other blenders. It was smooth and quick. Cleanup, which is usually the make or break moment for any blender, was a breeze too. I simply twisted off the blade, rinsed everything with soap and water, and popped the cups in the dishwasher. It doesn't get much easier than that. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Nutribullet Pro is incredibly fast and powerful, easily handling tough ingredients like nuts and kale. It's compact and easy to store, making it perfect for smaller kitchens or anyone who doesn't want a bulky appliance on the counter. The cleaning process is simple, and the accessories that come with the blender make it a versatile tool in the kitchen. Whether you're prepping a quick breakfast smoothie or making nut butter, it handles both with ease. However, there are a couple of things to consider before making a purchase. First, while the 900-watt motor is powerful, it does have its limitations when it comes to larger batches. If you regularly need to make more than 2 servings at a time, you might find the cups a bit small. Also, while the Nutribullet Pro is designed for tough ingredients, it may struggle with larger frozen items or dense ingredients that require extra blending time. The cups, although durable, are plastic, and some users might prefer glass for added peace of mind. And, like many blenders, you can expect some noise, especially when blending tougher items like nuts. When it comes to value for money, the Nutribullet Pro is priced in a range that's reasonable for what it offers. Similar blenders in this category, like the Ninja or Magic Bullet models, often come with comparable wattage and accessories. The difference is in the performance and ease of use. While the Ninja blenders may offer more versatility with different attachments, the Nutribullet Pro focuses on simplicity and efficiency. If you're someone who values quick smoothies, shakes, or nut butters without all the extra features, the Nutribullet Pro offers solid value. It might not be the most budget-friendly blender out there, but it delivers the power and convenience that justify its price. In comparison to other products on the market, the Nutribullet Pro does a solid job standing out. It's compact, powerful, and super easy to use, which makes it an attractive option for those who want a hassle-free experience. The Magic Bullet, while also a popular choice, doesn't quite match the power of the Nutribullet Pro, and the Ninja models, though more versatile, can feel bulky and take up more space on the counter. In terms of raw power and efficiency, the Nutribullet Pro holds its ground, especially for those who want a straightforward, no-fuss blender. In terms of build quality, the Nutribullet Pro is a well-made appliance. The motor base feels solid, and the plastic cups, while not as heavy-duty as glass, are durable and BPA-free, which is important for safety. The extractor blade is made of stainless steel, which is crucial for long-lasting performance. Given its simplicity, there's not much to break or wear down over time, so it's likely to hold up well with regular use. However, as with any appliance, long-term use could wear down the motor slightly, but based on its reputation, the Nutribullet brand is known for providing reliable products with a decent lifespan. Customer service is another important consideration. Nutribullet has a good reputation for responding to inquiries and offering support, but in my experience with the product, I haven't had to reach out for help. The 1-year limited warranty that comes with the blender is standard for this type of product, and most users report positive experiences when dealing with any potential issues. Now, when it comes to updates, this blender is a basic appliance. No firmware or software updates are involved here. It's a simple, plug-and-play device with no need for complex software to function, so there's no need to worry about updates or compatibility issues down the line. To wrap things up, the Nutribullet NB9-1301ALW Pro 13-piece matte all-yellow blender is a powerful, efficient, and easy-to-use appliance that's perfect for those looking to make quick smoothies, shakes, or nut butters. Its compact size and simple design make it a great fit for smaller kitchens, and the 900-watt motor ensures it can handle even the toughest ingredients. While it may not be the best option for larger batches or extremely tough frozen items, it offers great value for money for everyday blending tasks. If you're looking for a no-fuss blender that gets the job done, the Nutribullet Pro might be just what you need. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new review. If you've already used this blender or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time, blending your way to a healthier lifestyle with Reviews Inside TV.